Holes in the boat. No. We did connect the backbone cable for getting the AIS on the display, and getting the cable from A to B is only 1 meter, but you need to go all around the boat almost to get there.
So today progress again.
Progress again. Connectors on a one color wire. You need to have the red one as a positive and the blue one as a negative, so you know which one is which. Next time you pull it off, otherwise you have to go through all the motion again. Whoever put the antennas in here should be court martials, quartered, walked the plank and hung. Eureka! I found the one that is active. I found the other end of this one. So the 5 cables go. I know where 2 of the 5 cables go.
Congratulations. Oops, I lost your head. Clambucci? That's the way you asked for attention? 위드히당. A. 위드히당. 위히당. Weed stout twist. We, yeah. Oh, morning kind of a guy. The widow make.
That's a real widow maker.
And what is ours?
It's not a widow maker, it's end of liaison. Do you think we can still use this one? It's only 31 years expired, so I think it's still good. The dial says still green, so it must be good. Be a little bit flexible with the cable where you're
gonna see you again.
Of course.
Yeah, I think flexibles, and I don't have to do a whole lot of structural work. And
I feel it's in a dream. It's still in a dream.
And then I need to do a lot of
I'm
steel
living
work,
on the boat again.
to get stainless steel coming along for it to hinge on.
你2年对吗？大概2年的时间。
breakfast together, so you will understand what I mean. I don't know where you
Dalian.
Italian, but there are hundreds of, and from supermarket they bring everything which is very cheap and looks like a very rich breakfast.
That is not way to have a lunch. Very fancy. Let me see your happy face.
Me